Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on verifying updates. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to update your software but you're having the issue that your iPhone has been stuck on verifying updates, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you just have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest network connection, because sometimes it might be that your network connection is not strong, so you might face these type issues. Or you can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and after doing that you just have to go back, go for settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and all of your network settings will be reset it in this step. So if there will be any issue and with your network settings, it will be fixed. And after that you can easily update your software. Or if you're still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to go back and you have to try to make a forced restart with your phone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will be able to update your software. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iPhone has been stuck on verifying updates. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.